Hi friends, as we know, Earth is our home, moving safely around the sun in space. The sun gives us light, heat, and life itself. But what if this balance breaks? What if Earth slowly moves to the sun? Will our oceans dry up? Will the land burn? Can life survive, or will everything turn into dust? Closer to the sun means closer to the destruction. Are we ready to face it? One morning you wake up and the sunlight feels different. It is brighter, harsher, almost burning your skin. The birds are silent. The air is heavy and hot. And as you look around, you realize something impossible has happened. The earth has moved closer to the sun. The very first day feels unusual. The sunlight is sharper, shadows stretch darker. By afternoon, the heat is biting. People sweat even in the shade. Children ask to their parents, "Why is the sun so angry today?" Nobody has answers, but already nature has started to change. By the second day, the difference is clear. The morning coolness gone. Fans and coolers run non-stop. Farmers look at their fields and notice the soil is drying faster than before. The news channels debate, is this global warming or something stranger? On fifth day, heat waves arrives. In cities, the tar on road begins to soften. In villages, ponds shrink and crack. At the poles, ice melts silently, feeding oceans drop by drop. Scientists issue urgent warnings. Something has shifted. The earth is now closer to the sun. The first week shakes humanity. Rivers run thinner. Hydroelectric dams produce less power. Electricity grids collapse as millions run their air conditioners day and night. Migratory birds fly in a confused directions. Animals, plants unable to cool themselves. Hospitals filled with patients suffering from heart strokes and dehydration. It is no longer just climate change. It is a new planet we are living on. After 2 weeks, farms are failing. Rice, paddies dry up. Wheat turns yellow before it matures. Markets run short of fresh vegetables. Prices shoot up overnight. People queue up to buy water cans, while tanker trucks struggle to meet demand. In coastal regions, storms become violent. Rising seas eat away sandy beaches. For the first time, humanity begins to feel survival is at risk. After 1 month, forests that once echoed with life now burn like dry paper. Wildfires spread uncontrollably. Entire villages are forced to flee. Meanwhile, oceans boil with energy. Cyclones form faster, strike harder, and leave nothing standing. Families pack what they can and move to another places, searching for safety. Scientists warn to people, if Earth remains this close to the Sun, the future will be harsher still. After 2 months, the oceans grow hotter. Coral leaves lose their colors and die, leaving behind skeletons. Fish populations collapse. Fishermen return with empty nets, their livelihood gone. The balance of nature breaks down. Species that are vanished. Human diets change as seafood disappears. The world feels smaller, hungrier, and more desperate. After 3 months, agriculture has collapsed in many regions. Drought covers continents. Supermarkets in cities stand half empty. Governments impose rationing on food and water. People depend on stored grains, artificial food powders, and lab-grown substitutes. Tension rises. Protests erupt in the streets. The shadow of hunger grows larger every single day. 6 months later, Earth is no longer the same planet. Green forests turn into deserts. Snow mountains lose their white caps forever. Glaciers, which took thousands of years to form, melt away in few months. Sea levels rise by meters, swallowing coastal cities. Millions of climate refugees walk across borders, carrying only their children and a bag of belongings. Nations argue, fight, and struggle to survive. After 1 year, since Earth moved closer to the Sun, the planet we once knew is gone. The oceans, now hotter than ever, boil with violent storms. The air is thick, heavy, and difficult to breathe in many places. Countless animal species are extinct. Crops that once fed billions no longer grow. Technology shelters a lucky few, living in sealed domes with artificial cooling. But outside, the world burns. Earth has become a smaller version of Venus. This is not just an imagination. This is a warning. Our planet is fragile. And while Earth has no suddenly shifted closer to the Sun, we are already pushing it with pollution, deforestation, and climate change. If we do not protect our world today, tomorrow may be too late. So save the Earth, save our planet. That's all for now. Mention your thoughts for this video in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video at any time, please like, share, and subscribe to Galaxora for more videos. Thanks for watching.